there's so much in India, so much diversity. So everything from people to places to the streets to festivals, the entire essence of India. There's so much happening in every little corner. So that's been I think building subconsciously, and then it comes out through my drawings. And yeah, wherever I've traveled, I've done cartoons, be it Calcutta, Kerala, Northeast, Rajasthan, and the flavors. I mean, when you're drawing, it's so different. So yeah, that's what I enjoyed doing, and I figured out that this is what I wanted to continue doing. But I've always been passionate about drawing cartoons and sketching. I started doing these caricatures, things that I was seeing around me. I started this entire series in 2009, and I realized that I was capturing the essence of India, daily life, people on the streets, different places. So that is why I call the series Very India, because it was essentially a caricature series of India for Indophiles. And but 2013 is when we started doing the products. I was working in 2009 when I started this cartoon series, and it was doing pretty well. So in 2013 I said, why not quit and do this full time. We believe in fair price, so all our products are paisa vasool, and consideration wise we ensure that we deliver the best product, and we go to any lengths to ensure that our products are top quality. We do extensive research. The product materials that we're using are great. The techniques, we use state of the art techniques, even if they are age old. The two things we definitely want to put in our products. One is India, and second is humor, and they go so well hand in hand. I think mass production is boring, so we do a lot of customized products and stuff that people really crave for. And we've been doing host of products, host of ideas around what people want. We've been doing gifting ideas for corporates and individuals both. Target buyers, Indophiles, I would say. People who love India and everything Indian. iCustom Made It is a great platform for us for two main reasons. One, it helps us directly interact with our customers and bounce off ideas and co-create something totally crazy. And second, it takes care of all the other hassles that we don't want to get into, and we can concentrate on what we do best. iCustom Made It works great for creators like us.